Look what happened. Look what ended up going through. Let's get on here. As y'all saw, my YouTube channel post yesterday, this was at 3,000. Now we're at 7,000. You just can't make this up. Same charts. Remember? Bounce by, came all the way up, found structure. Found the structure, bounce by. Remember over here? Bounce by, found the structure, bounce by, found the structure, bounce by. This was literally done yesterday or 2 days ago. I made this diagram. Look at this now from 2 days ago and look what happened. Now, isn't that wild? Isn't that crazy? Alright guys, I just wanted to tell y'all real quick with Forex and what it's done for my life. Really, I took, how it started was I took QBank's course, or what is it, a course? Yeah, I have this course. I studied that for a couple of months because if you're in that course, then you know that there's like 100 videos in there. So, which is smart because it helped me understand all the ins and outs and details of it. But as I come to realize that none of that is really even needed. All I go off of is market structure, support and resistance. That's all I really need is support and resistance. I trade how the banks trade, and that's all I want to do. I don't want to go outside of that. I'm not trying to recreate the wheel of things. I just made it simple and easy. And I needed to show y'all, hold on, because I wanted to show that I actually did buy that course and when it was. Let me make sure none of my information is leaked on here. Alright, this is my email that does it show the date and all that stuff. Wall Street Academy. And this is my real email. Like, look, I can hit reply and everything. Just so somebody got, oh, it's a screenshot. Can y'all see I can hit reply and all that shit? Yeah. So, basically, I did that for months and basically started my own thing and realized that that stuff is really way more complicated when it can be way simple to where an average 9-to-5 person can do it. An average 9-to-5 person can get on his phone, take trades, make money. And I just wanted to do it to where I wanted to get out of a job. That's why I don't have to work, because of Forex. Bills are every 30th, so I can make enough money every 30th. On top of, I saved up money from when I was working, so I'm good. Now I just teach and educate and chill with my family. Nothing really else that I do. I try to get these videos out. Nothing I'm selling, just educating, showing everybody how to trade. There's nothing I hold back. Yeah, you just got to keep going at it. I know people are just like, they give up or they quit, and it's just because they don't have a mentor. That's literally it. They don't have a mentor, so that's what's holding them back. They don't know how that trading is actually just a system that you really got to work on. It's not like emotion, because if you bring emotions in Forex, you're gonna lose. You got to have a system. A system is to where, like, I don't take a trade unless this is going on, and if this is going on, that means I do this. If this goes on, then that means I'm doing this. But if one of these pieces are off, that means I'm not taking the whole trade. That's basically how I do it. I make it a system and I'm profitable from it. Instead of me talking, I'd rather just get back on the charts and show y'all exactly what I do step by step over and over again.